Start the recording. Okay, I started the recording. So now what we will do, we will create slightly complicated thing. Okay.
Okay.
So how about,
Okay, sir.
or do you guys want to create something on your own first? I just first want to see, okay, let me first tell you what to create and then you can tell me how you're going to create it. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
So let's try to create something like this. Okay.
Triangle.
So there would be,
What's a star?
but there would be many triangles as such. Okay.
Hmm.
Right. Just first try to create something like this and then we will expand on it. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Let's spend 5 minutes in doing on your own.
So what we have to do?
I have to stop share.
No, you can do it, right? You can show me what you are trying to do, Krish.
Okay, sir.
Only one more line should go.
Okay, let's do one thing. Let's make it simple. Okay. So if you guys can try to draw something like this and then tell me it is possible or not. Okay. You should first line, second line, third line, fourth line, fifth line, sixth line, seventh line, eighth line, nine, like this.
Uh-huh.
Is this something possible? So do one at a
Sir, I
time.
think it is possible.
Do one first line, then second line, then third line, fourth line. Okay, then it should continue. That means it will come in repeat blocks. First try to build this part only, what I have drawn. Sagarika, you're able to follow?
Yes, sir. I understand what you're doing.
Sorry, who was that?
Okay, I understood. So we need this block.
How this will be made?
Yeah, Karan?
How will we make this?
How we can move this? So start thinking, right?
Make.
Can you guys hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now who is going to answer me? I'll just ask you questions, okay? How you're going to draw the first line? What is that block you're going to use? So do not put in repeat block as of now. First do the very simple thing.
Sir,
Yes.
so where is the pen down and erase all block?
You get it over here on the more blocks as such on the left hand side.
Yes, sir, but I don't have any more block.
You should have, everyone have it like.
It's here.
Here add extension.
Okay, can we continue? everyone has drawn the first line or not? Yes, no?
Sir, I did the first line.
Okay. Krish, can you show me your first line? How you're going to draw the first line like this?
Sir, I still can't find it.
Krish, can you show her how to get the pen?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Welcome. Okay, Krish, let's go back, Krish. Okay, Krish, first show me how you're going to draw this line, the first line. Which is the block you're going to use to draw the first line? There is a background noise. If you're not talking, please go on mute, everyone. Yes, Krish, tell me.
Sir, I think it will be move block. Move 50 steps too.
Okay, then let's do that.
Sir, I have to keep this move block in first of this. Like,
I can't hear you, Krish.
sir, I have to put this move block here.
No, I'm saying we will draw it. So just forget whatever you did yesterday. Let's start doing very simple thing. If I ask you to draw a line like this, how are you going to draw a line like this?
Sir, by move 50 steps.
Then do that, please. But is this going to just draw me a line? How it is going to draw me a line?
Sir,
So first we have to do pen down, right? We are drawing a line. So very first block will be pen down, correct, Krish?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then erase all. Erase all.
Sir, pen down, then erase all.
Then you're going to do move 50 steps. And now click over here to show me, is it drawing this line or not?
No,
Did it do? Then, okay, it drew it this way, right? You want it this way. That means we have to have point in 90-degree direction, correct?
yes, sir.
Not this one, this is wrong. This is also wrong. We have to point in 90-degree, correct? Point in direction, point in direction. We have to point that sprite in a particular direction. On the very top, it should be. So now let's start thinking, right? Why we are doing this. We want to draw this line. So very first thing, sprite should be standing in that direction. And then we are moving 50 steps. Show me now. Click over here and show me. Okay. So it has drawn something, correct? Now we want it to come down. How will it come down? So far you have drawn this, right? We want it to now come down.
Yes, sir. Sir, we will turn it.
Turn 90 degrees.
Yes, sir.
Now drag and drop, turn 90 degrees. Make it turn 90 degrees. Okay, show me now your code. Click over there. Okay, then move 50 again, right? You have turned it, but you again have to move 50 blocks. Okay.
Did.
Move
Yeah.
50. Okay, now
Sir,
show me. Yeah, Karan, just give me a second. Okay, now you want it to move this side.
Sir, turn again 90 degree.
Okay, very good. Let's do that.
Sir,
Yes, Anand. Okay.
sir, I made it move. Sir, I made it move like fully. What 2 turns I did?
Okay. Let Krish also do it, and then I'll come to you guys. Okay. Now, just remember
Okay.
what we want to do, Krish. Just wait. Everyone should look at Krish's screen. We want this way, and this way. Now, this is an extra length which is there, correct? Krish, you with me?
Yes, sir.
So this time when you put move block, right? Show me, this has to be instead of 50, right? Make it 55. Make it 55. And again, click over here and show me. So it has got extended, okay? Now again do turn 90 degree. Okay, turn 90 degree and do move 55 blocks. And now click over here and show me.
Yeah.
Just move this thing out. Okay. Okay, it has gone up, right? Slightly gone up. Everyone with me? We started with this. We created this, then this, then this. Okay, so do one thing, Krish. Make move as 60. Instead of 50, make it 60. Very good. And instead of over here, it was 55, right?
Yes, sir.
Make it 70. And make this also as 70. And then run your code and show me.
Now, sir, it is perfect.
Okay, now take this thing out and show everyone how it looks like. Okay. Now you have to do this way, this way, this way, this way. Then this way, this way. Okay. Karan, you with me? So this means this part of the block will be in the repeat, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Sagarika, please share your screen.
Yes, sir. So after Sagarika, can I share?
Yeah, sure. Rakshita, you are able to do it? Okay, very nice. Okay, let Anand share it now. So what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to make sure you guys are able to understand the logic now. Okay, how we are going to convert this into a logic. Okay. Okay,
I made
Anand,
it here.
very nice. Show me your code.
Oh, this. So I need to put it in repeat block, no?
That we will put it later, but so far it is very nice. Okay. Krisha, please share your code. Okay. Karan, I will come to you, okay? When I come to you, then we are going to put in a repeat block, okay? Okay, very nice. Okay, good. Rakshita, you are able to share?
Yes, sir, I can.
Okay.
But I haven't done this code. I've only done the first 6.
Okay, but can you quickly do it? Okay,
Yes, sir, I'll do it in like 2 minutes.
Okay, then I'll come to you, okay? Karan, please share your screen. Karan, can you hear me? Okay, Krisha, please share your screen. Krish, you are able to follow?
Yes, sir, I'm able to follow. I'm doing only.
Okay. Okay, Krish, please share your screen. Okay. Now this is the entire code that you have written only for one time kind of thing, right? Okay. Now we are going to make changes to it. Okay. So now let's do one thing, Krisha. Can you scroll up, please? Scroll up, please. Just, okay. Copy these three blocks. Wait. Copy these three blocks. Turn in 90, yeah. Just copy those blocks. Yeah, duplicate and place it somewhere down where we are going to create our new code.
Sir, the new code for what?
We are going to improve our blocks, right? We cannot, if we want it 20 times, right? We cannot keep on writing so many blocks, correct? So we are going to improve on our code. Okay, we are reducing the code. Okay. All right. Now put the point in direction over here on the top. Okay. Very first thing. Okay.
Or I can put the repeat block, right, instead of writing all of that.
Yes, you can do that. Not a problem. Okay. Very first thing, put move block. Okay. Put move block over here.
Sir, should we duplicate that?
First, let's see what he is doing. Okay. Try to understand that. Okay. Just scroll down. Okay. So very first thing, when our new program is starting, we are saying move steps. Okay. Then put turn 90 degree. Put turn 90 degree. After that. Okay. Then go to control. No, go to events. Sorry, go to events. There would be something called as change or something is there or not? Do you have it in control or I just have to cross check? Okay, just give me 1 second. Okay, no. Okay, let's do one thing. Wait. So next time what we are doing, we are incrementing the move by 10, right? First time it is 60, then it becomes 70. The next time it should become 80, correct? We are changing the move blocks. You with me, Rishabh? Are you guys with me? I just want to make sure.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If we are changing it, that means we should create a variable. Okay. So now go to variable. Go to variable and create a new variable and say move, M-O-V-E. Okay. Say okay. Okay. Very good. Now there would be a set block, set move. Yeah, set block, drag and drop over here on the top. So at the start, we are going to set move to 60. Okay.
So 1 minute. Set move to. Okay. 60.
Okay. And then what we are doing. So over here, we had 60, right? Instead of 60, we will drag and drop that move block over here. So drag and drop move over here. Everyone know what we are doing. So at the very start of the program, we are defining what is our move. We're going to move by 60. So over here, we are saying move by 60. Everyone with me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then we are going to change this, right? So there would be a change block, change move.
Change move. Oh yeah, there.
Change move over here. Drag and drop over here. Make it change move by 10. Okay, and then go to repeat block. Go to repeat block.
Repeat.
Repeat. In control, it will be.
Control.
Go repeat block and put it over here. Very nice. No, one above it. Yeah, over there. Okay. So now let's try to understand. We are saying repeat this 10 times. First time the value will be 60. Next time when it comes, value will be 70, then 80, then 90. Okay. Then over here you have go to control and put the when no, go to events. Sorry, go to events. You have a block when, yeah, just drag and drop over there and select the number. Okay, now
So?
just show me. Just give me 1 second, Anand.
Okay, sir.
Just select. Okay. Everyone got it? Like how we have to do? We don't have to keep on writing blocks like this. Okay.
Sir, I'm deleting this.
Yes, you can delete it. Okay. Now do one thing. Instead of repeat, right? Let's go back. So when you do repeat 25 times. Do repeat 25 times and over here make it 5. If someone has not understood, please ask me how we came to this logic.
Sir, can you please explain me the last step which we did?
So over here, see, there is a distance, right? Over here, we are trying to reduce that distance. So earlier the distance was 10. Now we are just making it 5. Okay, so just run it again. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So just we are trying to reduce the distance. So whole idea is, I'm just going to repeat it again. Okay.
Okay.
When you are doing coding, always do a very small block first and then see how you can repeat that particular process. Okay, now let me go to Sagarika's screen.
Sir,
I shared.
should I delete the before block? Yes, Anand sir told that only. I'll
Can I
I'll
share?
come to you and then, yes, Karan, please share, okay? Okay, Karan. You did everything or what?
What?
How you did it?
What?
All these things?
Normally only I did.
Okay, you added all the move blocks. Okay, so you did it with using, okay, you using the variable only, right? Okay,
Yes.
got it. That's what I want. Because you were not there in the beginning, right? I just wanted to confirm. So now, so if you want to, you can make this distance less. Make it instead of 10, make it 3. Make it 3 and see how it looks like. Okay. So just practice it. Let me go to Sagarika's screen now. Okay. Karan, you understood the concept? Okay. Okay, Sagarika.
Yes, sir.
Sir, 6 is too small.
We will delete that.
The
Other block?
other blocks you can delete, yes. Okay, Sagarika, show me your code. When it's pressed, set move. So first you're setting move, point in direction, move.
Sir, I think 5 is only okay. 6 is too small.
Okay.
3 is too small.
So it is up to you, like which one do you like? Okay.
मैं परेशान हो चुकी हूँ जून में ये सब वजह से
Sir, where is my sprite?
The sprite, we need to find it out. Okay, so what we need to do, go to
Duplicate.
motion,
Change the x and y
Duplicate.
coordinates.
yeah, or make it 0, 0.
duplicate.
Make it 0, 0.
And make it 60.
Yeah.
Okay, right. So now let me go to Krish screen.
इससे हमारी बिल्डिंग में फिर कभी बैट और वो
Sir, after him, can I share?
Okay, let Krish share.
वो बोल रहा तो मान
Okay, Krish.
Sir, after him, I can I share?
Yeah, sure.
We shared
Okay.
one.
Yes. Okay, Krish, show me please.
What it is?
Krish, you have to
Sir,
press.
are you able to hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
By mistake, Sir, I am.
Okay, very nice. Okay, very good. Anat, it is working for you?
Yes, sir. It is working for me.
Okay, Rakshita, you have not shared. Is it working for you?
Yes, sir, it's working for me.
Okay. All right. Now let's do a new thing now. Okay. So now let me go back to Karan.
Sir, should I share?
जैसे ये भी भाई वाली बिल्डिंग में
After Karan, okay.
होता है ना तो फिर वो लोग डाल देते हैं कि जैसे बी विंग में फ्लैट
Okay. I have muted you guys. Okay. So now let's further improve the code. Okay. You have seen in everywhere in all of these blocks that we written, correct? Everywhere this is common. Everywhere, correct? These 3 blocks are used everywhere. Everyone with me?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
this means there is a lot of code which is unneeded or which is not necessary. So we have to replace that. To do that, we will go and now create a my block. Go and create a my block. Let's go to my block. Everyone there? And just name block as reset. You are given any name? Okay, let's give a name as reset. Okay, my block. Okay, now just drag and drop over here somewhere. And below, so we are now going to define this block, okay? So this block should have point in 90. So these 3 things, right? Just put it over here. Point in 90 direction. No, don't do that. Just go to your motion. Go to motion. Put point in direction. Point in direction, pen down and erase all. Okay, just attach it over here. So what you have done, you have created your own block by name reset. Everyone with me? Everyone has done this?
Yes, sir.
Now, Karan, just remove these 3 blocks. And put this reset over here. And attach it and see and press 1 and see it works or not. Worked? Okay. Karan, you with me?
Sir, but how it is working?
It's working because you defined your, okay, if you can share your screen, Krisha.
Sir, we have to do it for all the code.
Let me first go to Krisha. Okay.
Okay,
All
sir.
right. Okay. So what we have done, Krisha, in our code, we found out that these steps are, these blocks are getting repeated. So we defined our own block. Okay. Now we are, wherever these three blocks were getting used. Okay, wait. Wherever these three blocks are getting used, we are going to replace it by our block, with the name of our block is reset. So this is known
So
as.
but why reset? What is the meaning of reset over here?
You can put Hirde name also. It's all up to you. Okay. Whatever name you want to give. Okay. Suppose you don't like the word reset. Suppose you want some other name, India. You can put India also over there. Okay. So what you have done, you have created your own block. So you are reducing the blocks which are being used in your program now. Did I answer your question? It's just a name that you're given to the block. So now
Sir, can
wherever.
I share screen?
Yes. Sure.
That means that we can do like every time we create a block and put these like blocks which are used, which we have used previously, and then we put a block over there, delete those three blocks, then the same step will work.
Yes. So what we have done, we have created, we have created a function. Okay. A group of instructions. So whenever your computer program goes to reset block, it will, where is reset? What he needs to do? It will go and read. I have to point in 90 direction. I have to put the pen down.
So but what action is performed by this block?
This is what, right? It points sprite into 90 degree. It erases everything and then it puts the pen down, right? These are the actions being performed.
So can I share?
So this is very important thing.
Yes. Okay. Now let's put it over there. And wherever you are using these three blocks, please replace it with the new block that you created, reset.
Okay, sir.
Let Sagarika share. Okay. Then Anant, I'll come to you.
Okay, sir.
Sir,
Yes, Rakshita.
sir, the thing which we did, the one with square keeps on happening, no? My squares are being formed, but then they have a few lines missing.
Okay. I'll come to your screen. Okay. Okay. So you have point. Okay. Now what you need to do, Sagarika, remove these three blocks.
Okay.
And put reset block over here. Put this over here.
Okay.
And then try your code is working or not.
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. Similarly, wherever you are using these three blocks in your program, just replace it with the new block that you created by name reset. Okay.
Okay.
Now let me go to Anand's screen.
So 1 minute. I'm so 1 minute.
Krish, you have done that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'll come to you also, Krish.
But I was not able to understand.
Okay. I'll come to you.
Sir, I did it.
For everything? Very good. Okay. Very
Now
nice.
what
Anand.
we are going to do?
Let me first go to Krish. Okay, Krish,
I'll
please
stop
go
sharing.
ahead.
Can
Yeah,
you
please.
see my code?
Rakshita, I'll just come to you. Let me just go to Krish. Okay. Okay. Krish, what is that you want me to explain again? Why we are doing this?
So we are doing this to reset.
No,
Sir,
we are doing this because in our program, we are seeing many blocks are used repeatedly, right?
Yes, sir.
3. Okay. So we are replacing all this with one single block.
Okay, sir.
Okay. To do that, we created our own block by name reset.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So since you have defined the reset block, now these you can remove and replace it with the new block that you created. So what you have effectively done, you have created your own block. For example, Scratch has a block by name move. So you created a block by name reset.
Okay, sir. I understand.
Okay. Now let me go to Rakshita.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Oh, wow. Okay. Your screen is too small. Can you zoom in a bit?
Yeah.
Yeah. And show me the
Sir?
code.
So what is the function of this move which is in our screen?
Move.
Like where we present, like where the butterfly is or any other object is, where what is the use of that move block over there?
Sir,
No,
the
that's what I'm trying. Just give me 1 second. Okay. I'll come to that. Okay. All right. So very first thing you have done, go to, okay. Set move to 10, point in direction 90. Okay. Repeat 30. Change move by 10. Can you remove this block? Point in direction, because that you have done in your reset, right? So remove all these 3 blocks again. Remove this also.
So I'm a bit confused about this move because when we go to the slide, when we right click on it and go to the slider,
there is some
it shows a line. If we put that line back, there it goes to 0. And when we do like when we press 1, it remains 0 only. What is the use of that?
I'll come to you. Just let me first show me your reset block also, where the code is for reset block. Okay. Okay, let's go back to the code again on the left hand side. Can you make it 0, 0 first? This and this as 0. Okay. Make this as 25 for me. Sorry, make this as 60. Make this as 60 for me. 60. Wait. Make this as 25. And make this as 65. No, let it be 5. Sorry, 5. Sorry, 5. Yours is behaving strange. Okay, one last thing. Just remove this block also for me. Okay, show it again.
So for the others, it's working normally. Like.
The set move block should be up. The reset block should be below the set move.
That should not make any difference, but let's try that. Actually, let me come back to you on this one, okay? All right. Because for others, the same piece of code. Karan, you have done the same thing, right? What she's showing?
Yes.
हाँ
Same block, right? Everything same, correct?
आके मुझे बताया ठीक हो गया
Yes.
मामी जी है
All same.
हम बोले क्यों कर रहे हो बोल रहे मामी
She has put set one. That set one in at the first. She should put it.
वहाँ डाल दिया अरे
She should remove that.
वहाँ अरे जल्दी तो खाना मम्मा को जाना
You should remove that change one and set one.
जल्दी करो
No, if she removes it, then how she?
We have it in the reset one, right?
No, reset. We don't have that, right?
और आटा उसको रखो कि जब मम्मी जाएगी
We do not have it in the reset. Okay, do me one more favor.
No, she
Go
has did
to,
some
go to your
mistake.
variables.
in
Go to
that.
your variables. Go to your variables. Delete this first. Are you using move? Did you created a my block or you created a?
First, I created a variable, then I created a reset block.
Okay.
Sir, I think she should remove that reset block and then put normal blocks like pen down and all.
अंदर ही अंदर चलना है बाहर
Okay.
No, but if
And
I do that, then that will be a problem, right? Because I deleted the previous code. And even that time this was happening. So I
No,
don't
it will be above that. See,
डर लगता है क्योंकि बहुत सारा काम
in that
करने में
reset
लोग
block
चाहिए
का
ना।
go. Reset block that you made.
हाँ,
Yeah, remove that point in direction one.
बराबर।
Only point in direction.
हाँ, और
Join-
जैसे ना स्कूल का
No, both
हाँ,
full remove.
और पहले
Pen
क्या
down
था,
and join with that
बनाना,
point in
ले जाना,
direction.
गार्डन का करना तब डैडी ये लोग करते हैं।
Remove that reset one. That
हाँ, वही
that reset you can see.
कभी-कभी फिर हम
No, wait.
वो है ना कि
Go at the
Rakshita,
rightmost corner.
I'll look
Remove
into
this
it.
thing.
Okay.
मम्मी को देख लेते पापा को देख लेते सब कुछ का के जल्दी ठीक है उसी में बात करते
I remove that, then there will be a problem.
Remove
Rakshita,
this
there
means
is
just
something-
detach it. Just
वो बस
detach
हमको
that
चेंज करना है
and then duplicate this block. And then go at the side.
अरे मैं बहुत ही आती हूँ मुझे तो पता ही नहीं चलता वो घर
And then take that block.
वही देखो
And then remove reset.
This is what
And
we're
then
trying.
now try.
That is still happening.
सही में हाँ
No, I
What
think
have you
there's
put
some-
in degrees?
हम वही बोलते देखो कोई रहेगा तो हमको उस घर में डर भी नहीं लगता भी तो लेट आते हैं ना तो मुझे ना अंदर मतलब अंधेरे से डर
You have put.
No, that's correct. There's something wrong.
मैं
Rakshita
एक
will
बार
look
घर में
into it
नीचे
later.
रह
Okay.
लूं पर मैं घर के अंदर ना
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now let's continue. Sagarika, if you can share your screen.
हाँ कोई तो एक रहना चाहिए
Yes, sir.
अरे चलेगा हम क्या बोलते दो बार झगड़ा ही हो
Okay. So now we have a centralized place over here. If we want to make a change, we can do it over here. Everyone with me? Suppose we want this particular, all the sprite to start from a particular location. Then we will go to motion,
Okay.
and drag and drop. There would be something called as go to. Drag and drop this over here. And make go to x0, y0. And then try all your sprites and see where it is coming.
Sir, I know
Press-
this.
Okay, press 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so we made change only in one block, okay? And it is being applicable on all the blocks where this particular reset is being called.
Sir, there is one line in the square.
You need to find out where it is coming, okay? All right.
It's in
Which,
one.
okay,
Yeah, now it's fine.
okay. Now we can proceed.
Yes, sir.
So we just did one change, okay, like this. Otherwise, we have to do it in every block. Instead of that, we just did it in one particular reset block. It is applicable everywhere. Okay. Okay.
Sir,
Now,
now it's only in the middle. It does not go anywhere
yes.
out.
Yes. Okay. So that is what.
So, but sometimes,
Mhm.
so sometimes when we press 1 or 5 some key, then sometimes it gets confused and it adds another line to it.
It does that. Okay.
Should
Or
should
it
I
could
share
be
my
like.
It happens
or
with me. Same.
Okay. Or it could be you are pressing it too fast. You are
No,
better
no,
than
no.
computer.
Sir,
See,
no,
sir, what
I'm waiting
happens
3
that
to 4 seconds.
what
Okay.
happens that if we that last maze one, if we put and then if we press 1 and then some line comes like this.
Okay. All right. So
Yes,
now,
sir.
but this is how
Yes.
computer is behaving. Okay. Now let's proceed. Okay. All right. So what we are seeing right now, it's all one color. Okay. So we'll try to make it beautiful now. Okay. Someone asked me yesterday, like, are we going to put color or not? Chris,
I
you
know
are with
how to
me?
put color.
Sir, I also know. Just
Okay.
set pen color to any.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Sir, I had this in my exams last year.
same thing.
Sir, this set pen color thing.
Okay. But I want to see your creativity. Where you will put this set pen color? Where exactly you will put it?
I got it.
Okay. Let me first go
Let me
to.
put
Okay. You guys can put
pen
it. Do
down
not say
and
anything.
then set pen color too.
Okay, do not say
We
anything.
have to
Let me
put
first
above
go to
that.
Krish screen. Krish, please share. Okay, Krish, please scroll up and go to the pen block. Go to the pen block.
Sir, see, I added a color.
All right, we will do it. We will do it for only one particular. Which one do you want to do it for, Krish? Which number do you want to do that? We'll do it for the
Sir,
most
I did it for
complicated number 5. Just press 5 for me. Press 5 for me. Not 5. Press 6 for me. Or press 4 again.
Sir?
Sorry. Press 4. Okay, we'll do it for
Can
4.
I share my screen? I did it
One second,
perfectly,
Chris.
sir, for all blocks.
Okay. Let
I
Chris
also
do
did.
it.
It's very easy.
Okay. But I want to come and see
Sure.
how you guys have done that. Okay.
Okay,
Chris,
nice show.
Very easy.
yeah. Krish, please scroll
Just
down.
put this red pen color.
Okay. So Krish, what we are saying, move 60 steps. Okay, over here. Now drag and drop this color over here. One above it. Put one above it. Set pen color to. Move 60. And which color do you want to choose? Choose a color.
Sir,
Yes. Whichever
sir, it
color
is
you.
too long. Sir, it is
Uh-huh.
too long for doing it to everyone. So
Okay,
I
we'll-
just did it like this. That
I also did a reset
there was the
block.
main block of
Yeah,
the
reset
five.
block. I also
Reset?
did all.
Yes.
Okay.
Below that pointing direction and pen down, erase and all.
Okay.
There was no.
Guys,
Before
let him
pen
do
down, I
it.
did
Let
set.
him do it. I'll come to you. Okay. Krish, just show me. Press 4 and show me. Okay. Now you have made it red color. Okay. Now who can make sure, who will show me how I can have more than one color over here?
Tell me.
Okay, let Anand. Okay, Anand, show me how you will have more than one color over here.
Okay, sir.
Krish, you understood how we added the color?
So like this.
I made a beautiful shape.
Set color. No, it is still one color, right?
Now you
It's
want
not
to see
showing.
my shape? I did it like D.
Wait. So
So we have
Anand, you
pointed
try.
one.
You try. I'll come to you. Okay. So I want to see
And the
two different
computer
colors.
did it. I didn't do that.
Okay, Krishav, I'll come to now. Krishav, you can share your screen.
Sir, I have multiple colors here.
Okay, Rakshita, please share then. Who has added more than one color? So now start thinking.
I added one color only. So see,
I've added
new
more
shape
than
has
one
been
color.
formed.
But yours is green color only, right?
Sir, I have rainbow color.
No, but it is just showing me one color at a time, correct? I want your, whatever you're drawing should have different colors.
Yes, sir. I'll share once he stops.
Okay, sorry, I thought you were showing it. Okay.
No. Once he stops, I can share.
Yes. Keshav, you have to
Okay.
stop sharing. So it is still one single color that you guys are showing me.
I don't know multiple
Now,
colors.
can you see?
Just start thinking. Oh wow, she has done that. Very nice. Okay.
Yes, sir, I know it now. Set pen color 2. No, change pen color by.
No, so sorry. What I want to make sure is, if you are drawing, wait. Don't do anything. Don't do anything. If you are drawing a square, okay, this should be different color. Half of this could be different color. There has to be different colors over here, right? It cannot be one single color for the entire drawing.
Sir, mine is not one single color. It changes, right?
No, just show me for square. Show me for square. It is one single color or not?
Oh, sir, it's pink, purple, dark blue, and light blue.
Sorry, my eyes are not great. Okay, so
No,
if you're
my thing is.
Sir, I changed the color.
Because if I like.
Sir, I did it in 2 different colors.
okay, show me your code, Rakshita. How you done that?
Sir, I've put it inside repeat.
Change pen color by 10. Very nice. Okay, very good. So
Sir,
you got
I
it. Okay.
did it in 2 different colors.
Okay. Let me first go to current screen.
Sir, now you can see. Now there are so different
Yes.
colors.
Now I can see. Thank you. Yes. Okay. Karan, you have done something. You are still doing it, right? I'll come back to you. Okay. Okay. Who has done that?
Sir, I did.
Okay, Sagarika, please share.
Okay, sir.
Okay, press. Let color
I also
go.
did it.
Okay, let her first show. Which one?
All.
No, but each. So this sprite is having only one color, right? Which you are drawing right now.
Yes, sir.
It should have different colors. Okay.
Sir, it does.
It is different. My eyes are not great. Okay. All right. Do one thing. Okay. It is. Show me your code then. Do it for the one.
Okay,
Press,
1.
no, sorry. Do it for 7. Press 7. It is all same, right? Or
No,
different
sir,
colors.
this is purple.
So everything is purple, right? So there has to be different colors.
Sir,
For which one did you do?
for all, sir. So 1 is magenta.
Not like that. So if you are drawing a square, then square should be in different colors. Okay. Are you with me?
Okay.
Sir, I'll show.
The brightness also.
Okay.
I'll show you.
Yeah, Karan, please show me. Okay, which
Sir,
one?
now I did it in 3 different colors.
Is it?
Yes, sir.
It's not blue or everything or what? Just draw one shape for me. Just draw one shape. This is what triangle. So triangle sides are in
Every
different
time
color.
the color changes.
Not every time. All I'm saying is first time when you draw this, okay?
And after, can I share
But
the
I don't
screen?
know what I
Yeah.
did, but then my shapes are back to normal.
Okay, very good. So first time when you draw it, at that time itself it should be different color.
Karan,
Okay.
change
So,
pen color by some bigger number.
So can I share?
no, so
So
let
every
me
shape it
now.
changes.
Okay, so let me now tell you like what I was expecting. Okay. So who is going to share the screen?
Sir,
Sir,
can I?
Can I?
Sir,
Okay.
can I?
Let Anand share it. Anand. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, we'll do it for one smaller one. Okay.
Sure.
Show me where the code is for triangle.
Which is triangle. Yes, sir, this one.
This one, right?
Not this. So 1 minute, not this.
And press
Yes,
2
this
only,
one.
no?
Okay. So now you're done it right. Okay. But now let's try to improve on it. Okay. All right.
Sir, I
Okay.
have already improved on it.
Wait.
I just did it in define, reset, and only change pen color by 550.
Okay, very good. So now let's see how other way we can also do it. Okay. So Anand, this is move 50 steps, correct?
Yes.
Drag and drop one more move block. Drag and drop one more move block and put it after that. After this, over here. Put after that.
This?
Yes. Make this move 40. Make first one move 40. Okay. And then put change color over here. Put change color over here.
Change color.
Wait. Don't do that. Okay. Let's do set color. Put set color over here. This set pen color.
So here?
Yes. And then again put set pen color over here.
Here?
And select over here a different color. Select here different color.
Okay.
Okay. And then
Okay.
okay, wait. Then remove this one. This change color was what you had. Can you make this red and this one is blue so that I can also see it?
This one red.
Yeah, that is okay. This is okay. Yeah, I can also see that. Okay. Now run your triangle again for me. It's a different colors are coming, right? If you guys can see it. Yes or
sir.
no? Okay. So all what we did was
Not
we
happening.
divide. Not happening. Why? And Anand, can you do this thing for the other sprite also?
Yes, sir.
The one which we were drawing like this, like this, like this.
For that one. So this one?
Yes.
Okay. For this one. 40. After 90 steps. No. Here this. 4, 7.
Sir, but I can let it be like that only, no? Like set color.
So it's up to you, right? So you may get a requirement from your customer or client that I want half color or half color. I want a different color every time it draws. Okay. So you should know that. Okay. So let's do one thing, Anand. For this one, it's okay. The way it was there earlier. For triangle one, it was easy as such. Okay. Now let me
Yes,
go
I'll
to,
remove this.
yes. Yeah, remove that. Krish, please share your screen.
Oh, stop.
Krish, you have done the same thing or something else?
Or something else.
Okay. Oh, very nice. It looks very beautiful now. Okay. So now let's try to improve on it. Okay. Go to your define block. Go to your define block. Okay. Very nice. Over here, we will set the pen size. Set the pen size to 2. Make it instead of 2. Yeah. Let's make it 2. Yeah. Make it 2. And then again run this and show me. Very nice. Okay, good. Okay, so now what we are doing, we are making our lines thick. Okay. Everyone doing that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Krish, you can share your or you can save your work. Okay. I will talk to you next week now, Krish. Okay, and best of luck for your exam.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. Okay, who is next now?
Actually, my exam is tomorrow only.
Tomorrow. Which exam is tomorrow?
Sir, Hindi.
Hindi you know, right?
Same
Sir,
here.
even ours is Hindi tomorrow.
Okay. Hindi, you guys are expert in Hindi.
Just one question. Just 0.031 courses.
Can we make a
Why
game
not?
tomorrow?
Also fair to say
Tomorrow there is no class, right? Now it is next week, okay?
Next Monday.
Sir, can I show?
Okay,
I
so
just
one by
like
one you guys can show and then save, okay?
how to make this thicker?
Thicker, you have a set pen size.
Where do we put this?
You have to put in the define block where you
I
define
saved
you are saved. Okay, then best of luck for your exam also, Rishu.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Sir,
Yes, over
Sir?
here.
Bye,
Make it
sir.
2. Bye.
sir, I saved.
Okay, Sagarika, I'll come to you. You have to show me and then you can drop off. Oh my goodness. Okay. All right. It looks much better now. Wow.
How did you make it thick?
He just changed the size.
I did 21.
Very good. It
Oh.
looks much better. I can't hear you, Sagarika.
Sir, even I'll do that.
Okay. Right. Okay, it looks much better now. Okay.
I don't know why this line is coming here. This line. Then if we touch, if we do
Uh-huh.
again.
It could be that it is processing faster as such. Okay. Now, other way could be that you can reduce this dragonfly size also, right? It's too big, make it 10 or something so that it's very minimal. Okay, who is the next one to share? Oh, this looks good. But save your work, Karan, okay?
Yes.
Hello.
Who is sharing next?
Sir,
Yes, Agarika.
I by mistake closed Google.
Everything lost or what? Then I'll share this recording and then practice it.
Okay. No, I saved
20
it,
trial
but it's not loading.
Okay. I'll come to you then, okay?
Okay.
Rakshita?
जैसे अभी SGTM हाँ
Okay, show me please. Very good. Okay. Okay, very nice. Rakshita, what you can do, right? Since if you have time,
इसमें है भी जैसे फर्स्ट वाला
Can-
तो ऑन होल्ड है
we can
पर इसको
improve on
ऑन
it,
कोई नहीं
okay?
बोल सकते कि नहीं
So,
Sir, we can do it next class also, no? And everything.
I also save. Next class, can you make?
next class we'll do something else, okay?
Can we make game?
Yes, we'll make game. Okay. This is not interesting. Okay, all right. All right. So, Rakshita, what you can do, when we start drawing, correct? We can have a save block which will tell user what it's going to draw. You with me, Rakshita?
Yes, sir. I was gonna do that, but then I thought, how will this look? So I didn't do
Okay.
it.
Okay, so you can do that way also. Or what you can do, you can create a background. Okay.
Yes.
The background will be square. Then you will have a background which says rectangle, triangle. Okay, the background will keep on changing. Okay, so
Yes.
that way we can improve on this. Okay.
हाँ वो मैं देख रही हूँ मैं ये
Okay, sir. Bye.
Okay.
sir.
Bye. Okay, Sagarika, you wanted to share?
Yes, sir. So see, now if I have to go to file and load from your computer, it's not there. Today's
should-
work.
Oh,
You are in downloads.
no, she might have downloads only, right?
Yeah.
Every time she downloads over there.
हाँ वो कमेंट लगता है वो
I
कॉमन
save in my. I have saved
Okay,
in that.
then you have to
Only
open the
downloads.
yesterday one and then do it. Okay.
That Crash Project 21, what it is?
है ना तो एक मिनट रुकिए
All right, Sagarika, you have to, this way you can practice it again. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Right. Then bye everyone. See you
Bye,
next week.
sir.
सिक्स
Bye.
इनिशिएशन डालूं है ना
Bye.
6 GB रिलीज लिखा हुआ है